In this question, we have to reverse a string using stack. So, suppose this is a stack. This is a given string. So, what we can do just simply push one element one by one each letter of the string into stack. This just like first is G, so we will push G to the stack, then E, K, and then S. Now what we will do, we will create a variable of string type, and we will simply pop this element and add it to this variable. So str will become S. Then we again pop this and add to this, so it become K, and again this, so it become E, and this E. Finally we pop the last element also, G. So we pop the all elements. We keep popping the elements until the stack becomes empty. So this is the approach. Now see the code. Suppose this is a stack. Now for I in S, stack dot append I. Here we will take all the elements of the string and append it into the stack, and then here we create a variable string. Now check while length of stack greater than 0, then stack dot pop we have to pop each element from the top of the stack and add into the str variable until the stack becomes empty. Then simply return str variable which contains the verse of that string.